10 amazing facts about animals. Cows have best friends. They get stressed when separated from their favorite buddy. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills, while 1 pumps it to the body. Tigers have striped skin. Their fur isn't the only thing striped, so is their skin. Frogs can freeze without dying. Some frogs survive winter by turning into a frogsicle. Sharks have been around longer than trees. Sharks existed 400 million years ago. Sloths can hold their breath for 40 minutes. They slow their heart rate to stay underwater longer. Elephants can hear with their feet. They detect distant vibrations through the ground. Crows can hold grudges. They remember faces and teach other crows who to avoid. Seahorses have unique birth roles. Males give birth instead of females. Dogs can smell time. They sense changes in air scents to predict daily routines. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.